Hello, happy to be here today. I welcome you to this channel. This is Lasodeni Talk. Today, what I have to share with you is how to turn $100 to $250 in 30 days. How to turn $100 to $250 in 30 days. See my working method. So, in this working method that I'm going to share with you, I will prove to you that you can earn $250 from your $100 capital in 30 days. This is confirmed. It is what I have tested and it is highly trusted. So just join me as I show you step by step on how to get this done. But before I go deep, I want you to know that this video is brought to you through this channel called Lasodeni Talk. Lasodeni Talk is a channel whereby I use to share with you my ideas on online investments, to show you how you can make money online as I personally am doing. Alright, so for that reason, if you are at the edge of any online investment, you can just forward it to me for a review, and I'm going to do my sincere review and I will give you my sincere recommendation. Okay, you can browse through my channel and watch my videos, and if you like them, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So these are a few ways whereby I share with you how I have been making money online, and you can also do your own due diligence research, and if you think it is what you can give a try, then you can start immediately. All right, so I'm going to share with you how to turn $100 to $250 in 30 days. So I will be sharing with you my working method right now. So first and foremost, I want to do a calculation. To make sure it is very, very realistic. So I'm going to do a compounding interest calculation, so that I want to prove to you that you can earn this money with my working strategy. All right, this is compounding calculator, that is daily compounding interest calculator. So let's assume you have $100 as a capital, and you have a platform that gives you 3.6%. It gives you 3.6% daily. Let's say 3.6% daily. That is what you earn in this platform that I'm about to share with you, and it is daily and it will last for 30 days. 30 days. So let's see how much you're gonna make at the end of 30 days. Let's calculate. All right, at the end of 30 days, you'll be making $288, including your capital. So you'll be making $188 extra profit, $188.9 extra profit. So at the end of 30 days, this is what you'll be making here. So this is what you'll be making at the end of 30 days. You'll be making $188.93 profit. $188.93 profit. That is what you'll be making at the end of a month, that is 30 days. So this is what you'll be earning based on compounding interest. All right, so let's even say that you are earning just 3%, not 3.6% right now. Let's assume you are earning 3%. Let's see how much you're gonna make at the end of 30 days. Okay, at the end of 30 days, your investment value will be $242. $242. That means you are earning extra $142 profit. $142 profit. That is what you'll be earning after 30 days, provided you are earning 3% of your capital on daily basis and you are compounding on daily basis. So this is what you are going to make. So I want you to know that earning $250 from $100 capital is very, very realistic. So what platform will you earn this 3% daily profit on your investment? So for that reason, I'll be taking you to this platform called COTP. Some people call it COTP some call it COTP, anyhow you call it. So this is COTP. So what is COTP? COTP is an abbreviation for cryptocurrency over the counter platform. Cryptocurrency over the counter platform. So what do I mean by over the counter? It means that it's an arbitrage, is a cryptocurrency arbitrage trading platform whereby trades are being made on different exchange sites. I mean different cryptocurrency exchange sites, and the differences are capitalized on, which gives you your own profit on daily basis. So in short, so this platform helps you to trade cryptocurrency, and the cryptocurrency that is being traded here is the USDT. USDT is a cryptocurrency that is equivalent in price and in value with the US dollar. It is 1:1. 1:1. So when you are earning in USDT, that means you are also earning in US dollar. So this platform is you to trade your USDT. That is, you sell high, you buy low, you sell at higher profits. Okay. So now, so how will you go about it? Don't worry, I get you covered. What you just need to do is just to check the description box of this video for the registration link of COTP. Then do your registration and ensure that you verify your accounts. You do the authentication, that is identity authentication. Make sure you complete everything and keep your personal information, keep your login details, and input your wallet address for the payment. And after that, you can click on the recharge to recharge your account to fund it, and I will teach you how you can earn 3.6% daily. Trading in COTP. So what you just need to do is that you click on the transaction all right down here. You click on the transaction all here. Okay, you click on it, and after you have clicked on it, provided you have deposited to your account, provided it has been funded, so you see your money under the wallet balance, here. So your money will be here. Okay, so then after that, you will click on immediate competition for others. You click here. So when you click here, the system will scan the global cryptocurrency exchange sites. So what you have here will be sold. Okay, so it will sell your cryptocurrency, that is your USDT, at a very high price, and it will buy lower. So after the transaction will take approximately 2 hours for completion. So after it has been completed, then it will be returned back to your wallet balance here. So I want you to understand something. The total asset is the addition of your wallet balance and the money in the transaction. So when you are in a trading session, all your money will be in the transaction here by the left side of your screen, and after the completion of that trading session, your money and the profit will be returned back to your wallet balance. Okay, so when your money is in the wallet balance, then you can start another trade over and over again. Okay, so this happens every 2 hours. And in each session you are making 0.3 of everything you have in your wallet balance, that is of your capital. So by the time you are able to go to do this in 12 days, every session is 2 hours. So that means that you can have 12 rounds, 12 trading session in a day. So that gives you 3.6% in a day. But because of a time difference or for any other external factor, maybe you are not able to do the 12 trading session in a day. Let's say you are able to do that of 10. Let's say you are able to do that of 10 trading session. Then that means you are earning 3% of your capital in a day. So by so doing, you can earn 142 profit on your $100 on single day. In 30 days rather. So you are not the one trading. Don't misquote me. You are not the one trading. You just need to click on the immediate competition for others, and the system will do the trading for you, and it will be completed in approximately 2 hours. Approximately 2 hours. So you can even check the time here. Check the time for the completion. For instance, I am in a trading session right now, so I just need to check the last trade here. So I just need to click on the last trade here to see when it will be completed. Then I can set my alarm to start another trading session. So let's see. Then you click on the arrow, then you see time of income. This time of the income is when your money will drop. It is when the transaction will be totally completed. So that is 7:22. Here in Nigeria, the time is plus 5 hours. So 7:22 here will be around 12:22 p.m. 12:22 p.m. Nigerian time. All right. So that is how to know the time of when your income will be back in your wallet balance. All right, and you can withdraw your money anytime, provided it is higher than $9. So you can withdraw the minimum of $10 from your wallet balance. So this is how to go about it, and by this you can be earning 3% daily. If you can be diligent to the extent that you are initiating the trade 10 times in a day, then your 3% is guaranteed. If you can complete the 12 times in a day, then your 3.6% is guaranteed. So what you earn is determined by you here. So you need to be diligent with this. It's not a platform whereby you just put your money before your hands and you sleep and you're expecting the ROI. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to be diligent with whatever you are doing. So this is one of the ways whereby I have been making money online. And let me show you my withdrawal record and my deposit record. Firstly, let me show you my deposit details of fund. Okay, you can see I've deposited $50 on the 11th of March 2022. Then I withdrew $60.2 after 7 days. Then later I deposited $150 and I have now withdrew 160. You can see I withdrew 106. That is 160. So I've already withdrew my capital, and right now what I have in my account, I have over 340. In total, I have $345 in my account. You can see I am now in pure profit. Okay, so you too can start earning online with this method. It has been proven, tested, and trusted by me. This is one of the ways whereby I make money online on daily basis. Okay, on daily basis, you can see the statistic of my income. Let me show you the statistic of my income. So on the 20th, I made 9.795. You can see there are some days where I am not able to complete the 12 trades because with my capital is split into 5. It is split into 5. So it is split into 5 units from 100. The system can just take any amount, but mine is split into 5. So here on the 20th, I made 9.795. On the 19th, I made 8.298. On the 14th, I made 9.276. So it depends on how diligent you are. It depends on how diligent and how serious you take this business. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. This is LastSojourning Biztalk. So if you have any questions, just let me know your view in the comment section of this video, and you can also chat me up on WhatsApp. You can contact me on my email that is linked with this channel. All right, if you have any question, you can also chat me up on WhatsApp, and you can also put a call through. I'm going to answer your call. I will reply your messages as soon as possible. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Thanks so much for your time. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If this video has truly added value to you, then don't hesitate to share and share it with your friends and family. This might be the information they have been waiting for their financial transformation. All right, thanks so much once again, and meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.